On this episode of the Livy Star Show Season 1, I'm excited to welcome Manju, who is an Instagram influencer, IT professional, and a creative, growing community over 77,000 followers. Welcome, Manju.
That's a great intro. Thank you so much.
Thank you for joining us today, Manju.
No, I'm privileged.
So, you're an Instagram influencer, and we want to know the story. We want to know how did you start, why did you start, and when did you start?
Actually, it's almost like 5 years.
Right.
I just started when it's COVID time.
Mm-hmm.
I'm really bored at home, and it all started because of my little one.
Yeah,
Because we used to do fun reels, and I used to act with him,
yeah,
and it slowly grew into like I just want to show. I have a lot of saris, so I just want to come out and show my sari collection and jewelry collection,
right.
and it became like a passion hobby, and I really loved it, and the
Yeah,
journey started slowly.
yeah.
uh,
But in the beginning, did you only post about your children?
yes,
Yeah.
I used to post my family pictures,
Mhm.
and with my kids whatever I did reels.
Right,
Yeah.
right. When did you think it is start connecting with your followers, like the content? And do you even remember what was your first reel was about?
Yeah, I tried. Before in Instagram, only the posts used to be there.
Right.
So just I used to click pictures and I used to post them.
Hmm.
There is no reels in that. I
Right.
used to do TikTok videos, like just like a lip syncing videos.
Yeah.
It started like fun. Slowly, people are recognizing me,
Mm-hmm.
and they used to comment like, "I really love your collection or styling." Those kind of comments made me
Do
more,
the
yeah,
yeah.
it's so encouraging at first. And
Yes.
some sari brands, like a small, started with small collabs.
Got it.
Um,
So in the beginning itself, you started getting the collaboration request, or it took a little while? Because I also wanted to know how you grew your followers. Like, what did you do? Or suddenly overnight, like you wake up one fine day in the morning and you see, oh my God, I got this many, this thousands of followers. Did it happen overnight?
no, 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 no,
No?
nothing like that. It
Okay.
was very difficult to get 1K,
Oh, wow.
2K, 3K. It's all like milestones.
Wow.
And I got 10K after 2 years.
Okay.
After 2 years, I think so.
Nice.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Then after moving to Texas,
Mm-hmm.
actually, because of, I don't know, because I am South Indian or Telugu, more Telugu crowd is there in Texas.
Mm-hmm.
So the brands are also, most brands are run by Telugu people. So I got more followers after
Mm.
moving to Texas. I got more collabs. I got more visibility
Got it.
in my community, and
Yeah.
most of my followers are Telugu people. I know I mean, there is discrimination, but still,
No.
I feel like more are Telugu, and they connect uh,
Okay.
with
Got
my
it.
styling.
No, of course. No, it's not about, it's nothing related to kind of discrimination. I think it's just like, this is what you belong, where you belong.
Right,
This is your
right.
culture. This
Yeah.
is where the
Yeah.
best you connect with.
Yes, right.
But you said you moved to Texas. Where were you? I mean, tell us something about your family. Like,
Oh, yeah. So sorry about that.
no worries.
Yeah. Actually, 20 years I have been moved to US.
US. Hmm.
Yeah. We are just couple of years in New Jersey, and then we moved to Seattle. I am in Seattle for 15 years. It was like my hometown.
Oh.
Because I never stayed at India after marrying.
Hmm.
So I didn't stay at my mother-in-law house, or we didn't start family in my husband is already in US.
Got it.
So I moved to US,
Uh-huh.
and this is like my mother-in-law
Oh,
country.
oh,
So
so
I really
sweet.
love here, and I don't know if I go back to India, I don't know how I can.
You will survive.
Yeah,
Yeah, yeah.
right.
It's a tough
It's
question. I
very
think.
difficult.
Yeah, it's the same situation with me. I
Mhm.
came here right after my marriage, so it's exactly the same.
Okay.
So, um, tell us, were you always kind of confident in making reel? Or did you learn it over the period of time? You used to watch lots of reels and then you got idea how to make it, and now I can see you're a perfectionist. Whenever I'm with you, you are
No, no,
taking the
not like
best
that.
shots,
Yeah.
the perfect shots. Did it take some time, or you already had that kind of vision before marriage or in the college itself?
No, no.
Never.
I am an introvert.
Okay.
I have a lot of stage fear. I never went on stage at college and gave a speech or anything like that. Even in my classroom,
Oh, wow.
I I was very quiet in my class.
Oh, sweet.
I used to sit in middle. I'm a middle bench student, and I'm an average student.
Hmm.
So it just, as I told you, it's just started in COVID. But yeah, definitely the first reel was really difficult. We can't give that expressions and lip sync. I need to do 10 times, or
Yeah,
sometimes I do
more.
20 times also.
Wow.
Yeah, we never know the struggle. Until we do that, we never know the
Yeah.
struggle. It's really difficult. But slowly I learned. I
Right.
def I don't say that it's my original content,
Yes. Yes.
because I will take ideas from other people.
Yeah.
Definitely, we are not pros, or we are not
Yeah.
directors, or we are not into that kind of roles, right? But I will take inspiration
Yes.
from others' reels
Yes.
or content, and I will just little bit I'll twist
Yes.
according to my style,
Yes.
and does it. That's
Yeah,
it.
I think everybody does the same. I
Yeah,
think everybody take inspiration from some or the other. It's just
right.
barely one creator who comes up with their own some creativity, but then
Yeah,
it's the trend then
right.
which
Yeah,
everybody
yeah.
follows. So yes, I understand making your first reel little awkward, then you improve slowly. Tell me, is there any kind of awkward moments like
Oh,
while
definitely.
making in the public? Like, I want to know if you have
Uh,
done something wrong or got into trouble because you're shooting, you're making a reel in the public.
no, not in the public. Because everybody, whenever I wear sari and I shoot in so many places, so many public places,
Mm-hmm.
but they all love. They all give me compliments and all. I never felt that awkwardness, like they're looking at me, or I'm doing something wrong.
Yeah.
Those kind of feeling I never felt. But initial stages, I want to tell you about one thing.
Uh-huh.
You know that song "Ooh Antava Mama."
Yes, yes, yes.
I don't. I mean, I don't know dance, so but it was really easy steps, and I tried, and I posted, and I got phones from India, like my mother-in-law.
Oh,
It was so awkward. My husband was not in Instagram,
okay.
and my mother-in-law called him and told why she's doing all these things.
Oh my God.
If it's normal videos showing the saris, it's okay, but why she's into dancing and all, I don't like those things.
Yes,
Um, because so many of my relatives are there, they will be watching,
yes,
right?
yes,
As
yes.
we are in traditional families.
Right,
So
right.
that was the awkward moment. And my
Oh,
husband was also like, I mean, he didn't say me to stop,
yes,
but he told me, be
yes.
mindful, watchful
Yeah,
what you're doing.
yeah, right.
So that's why, anyway, I don't wear like so much modern or short dresses or something like that. Even I don't post them in Instagram. I just post them in stories when I'm having fun with friends and everything.
Uh-huh.
But I just keep it clean
Got
to
it.
post in the
But
Instagram.
how your family kind of supports you here with the reel making? Are they all supportive? Your husband, your children? Now, since you are an influencer, I mean, of course, you're getting paid through the gigs. Are they happy and always supportive and don't say anything, or still they are like there are like boundaries?
No, 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 they are good now. My kids are also grown up, so
Hmm.
I don't need to be there for them.
Yeah,
So whenever I'm at home, I'll definitely try to spend some time with them.
yeah.
But when I go out, mostly weekends, I'll be busy.
Okay.
But my husband will take care of them. Mostly, I'll prepare some food or do all my work and then come out.
Yeah.
Mostly, no complaints now.
Yes, but how do you manage? Because what I see, you post a lot of content, like it's a lot. And so there are like two questions for you. Number one, what used to be the time earlier in those days when, um, how much time did you take to make one reel versus now when you are a pro? Do you still take same amount of time, or it's quicker now because you are very experienced and you know how to do and what to do. And the second question is, how do you balance with cooking, cleaning? You're a mom, you're a wife, you also work, then you have grown up children.
Yeah.
How do you manage everything if it's taking too much time?
Yeah, definitely. Sometimes it takes long time,
Yeah.
uh, but not every weekend,
Okay.
as I told you. And one more thing, when I do a makeup for a shoot,
Mm-hmm.
so I'll come home, I'll change another sari, I'll do my content. When I do makeup, I just finish my 3 to 4 reels at a
Got it.
one day. Yeah, even it's late at night.
Mm-hmm.
Generally, I shoot at home also, like styling videos.
Right.
So those kind of videos, it will be quick. I know sometimes it takes more time,
Yes.
but still, I want to be perfect.
Yeah.
If it is not perfect, I'll not post them. And even picking the saris, it's not at all easy. Like when we reach out to some designer or some designer will reach out to us.
Mm-hmm.
So picking the perfect sari, pairing up perfect jewelry and perfect makeup, hairstyle, everything matters.
Yeah.
So I know it takes a lot of time, but if we have vision,
Mm-hmm.
we could do it quickly. I know at first, earlier stages, um I could able to do only 1 to 2 reels or something like that.
Mm-hmm.
But now, as I'm getting more offers, I don't want to miss anything. I know, like, I mean, there is nothing to hide. We are also
Yes.
getting aged, and
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
we don't know how many years we could able to do.
Yes.
But when we get the opportunity, right timing, we need to grab that opportunity.
For sure. Yes. So I love this idea of like getting the makeup done one time and then get done with two, three reels.
Yeah.
That's a very smart idea. I think
Hmm.
it's a good tip for people who are
Right. Yeah.
wanting to be the influencer.
Mhm.
Um s- Tell me about your first paid project. Were you super excited? How it came to you? Did you reach out to people or somebody reached out to you?
But
How was it?
yeah, at first, actually, definitely we need to reach out to the brands.
Got it.
They will not reach out to us, and they'll not pay us for doing anything like that.
Mm-hmm.
But couple of years, as I told, like 2 to 3 years, I never took anything. I
Got it.
used to do for brands,
Yes.
but I didn't take any money. I used to do for free because I love saris, and I can't buy all the saris.
Of course.
Yeah. So when they are giving you nice sari or yeah,
Jewelry.
jewelry to show up,
Yes.
then why don't we take? Anyway, I'm doing content,
Yes.
so why don't I do with their saris? They tag them, and then yeah, show them
So
the
that was a
inspiration.
fun job for you, which kind
Yeah,
of turned out to
it was
be a
like a passion. Yeah, it's
yeah.
not like I don't know that there will be paid also at first.
Yeah, yeah,
At
yeah.
first, because I just
Absolutely.
started it for a fun and passion.
Yeah.
Yeah, that was really nice when they my first paid project is also like saris, I think so, saris and
Yeah.
jewelry.
Yeah.
But slowly it went to restaurants, some places or
But were
something.
you super happy when somebody offered money
Yeah,
to do it?
definitely,
Yeah.
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 Because anyway we are working.
Right.
I know
Yes.
we are spending lot of time,
Yes.
so
Yes.
definitely we need, at least I mean not much like $500 to $1,000, but at least
Yeah.
100 is the 50 to 100.
Yes.
Slowly it will grow.
Yes. Yes. Yes.
But don't do it for money.
Yeah.
I
Yeah. Yeah.
really suggest don't do it for money. I mean, you can do it for money, but in my opinion, when you are enjoying that,
Yes.
just do. Sometimes you need to do it for free too,
Yes.
because some concepts. Uh,
Are unique.
like Navratri shoot, for example.
Okay.
So those 9 looks, I did it in 3 days.
Oh wow.
3 looks one day. So those things we can't, those are our concepts and I want to do it.
Right.
So for those kind of things, it's okay. Even they don't pay, that's fine. If you want to do it, you need to do it.
Mm-hmm.
It's not about others, right? It's not
Yes.
about money or it's not about others.
Got
It's
it.
our satisfaction. At the
Yeah.
end of the day, how many years we can do, as
Right.
I told you. Yeah,
So,
that's
so
the.
any advice to people who are wanting to be like you, who wants to do the fashion, Instagram, who wants to become the fashion, Instagram influencer? Are there any? I know a couple of advices you just gave, like don't do it for money, just keep doing it for fun.
Yeah, definitely. Yeah, as I told you, don't start it like a career.
Yes. Okay.
Yeah, because it's just a passion and we'll not get money every time.
Yes.
So, and it's not like for living. I mean, some creators are there who earns lot of money
Mm-hmm.
from only through Instagram, but everyone can't do that.
Right. I
Yeah,
agree.
and everyone don't pay that much
Yes.
because nowadays everybody wants to come out and do something and follow their passion.
Yeah.
So just come and it's like a fun, and we can show our creativity.
Right.
Yeah, it's like my what do you say, comfort zone.
Comfort zone. Right.
Yeah,
Yeah. Because you like
definitely.
doing it.
Yeah, when I post something, my dopamine hits.
Oh, nice.
And I love when people comment when they like the videos.
Yeah.
uh yeah, it's not just a career, it just started like a passion. Once you grow, maybe you can make it
Mm.
like a career,
Yeah.
but don't stop what you are doing and jump into Instagram to be a creator. It doesn't work out.
It doesn't work like
Mm.
that. Okay. Um, so you are you love to wear sarees. It's all about traditional wear, almost I think always for you. Have you also tried your hands doing something else? You also mentioned going to restaurants and promoting the businesses,
Yeah.
but did you ever think about anything else? For example, cooking videos, because all kinds of influencers do cooking video. They try their hands at everything.
Mhm.
Have you ever tried something different?
Don't ask me about cooking.
Okay, you don't like cooking
I'm not into cooking.
at
Sorry
all?
about that.
Okay.
No, I cook. I mean,
Yes, of
daily.
course, your family.
Yeah, I'll cook, but I'm not passionate about that. In 1 2 hours, I should wrap it up everything. So I'm not into cooking. I can't make cooking videos. Definitely, I have a little bit of OCD. So cleaning, I'll do like 4 to 5 times. I clean my home.
Okay.
So yeah, coming from a traditional family, it's really difficult. My mother-in-law came last year,
Mm-hmm.
and after starting my Instagram, she came for the first time to US. I
Okay.
mean, she used to watch my videos from India, but she came to US last year, and I mean, I don't know how she felt when I'm going out doing all the reels, and I also took her for a couple of shoots
Okay.
for some jewelry ads and all.
Did she like it?
Yeah,
She was comfortable.
surprisingly, she really liked it, and she did 2 reels also with me,
Oh,
actually.
wow.
And I felt so surprised, and she went back to India, and she told everyone that
Oh, she did real.
it's really nice how Manju is managing
Uh,
family, cooking, work,
yes.
and then following her passion,
Oh, wow.
cleaning the house, keeping everything neat. So I felt
Yeah.
so good when she mentioned all about that. It's all about prioritizing.
Right. Right. So you don't try to make other reels other than your fashion jewelry, sari, or if it comes to the promotion of any business.
Uh,
What do you think? Will you be ever
no,
um
no, not like
n-
that.
you will?
I can definitely make other reels.
Okay.
If you see like last 2 3 reels, I just made little comedy reels or something like that,
Oh,
like
really?
yeah, mix and matches
Oh,
or something,
okay.
because we need to change.
Yes.
When the content is changing, we need to change.
Got
That
it.
is one more tip for the Instagram.
Okay.
Fashion reels are getting old.
Got it.
Yeah,
Okay.
it's just showing the sari, showing
Yeah.
the
The
different
jewelry.
drapes or showing jewelry. Definitely, it is. Um,
Yeah.
not working out right now.
Yeah.
So we need,
Those like get ready with me reels, all that. I think, do you think it's becoming more common and monotonous? Like everybody is doing the fashion reels?
getting ready with me reels is a good way to show,
Mm-hmm.
but some people do it really catchy.
Gotcha.
That's what I'm saying. Like
Yes.
everybody shows it in different way.
Yeah.
I'm not saying that makeup reels are not good, or getting ready with me reels are not old. Not like that, but showing your way in an aesthetic way
Mm-hmm.
and in your way,
Yeah.
or in a funny way. Those also, it's really catchy, and the content will be changing every
Yes.
day.
So, Manju, one of our guests on the podcast, he actually said, "Get ready with me reels are like a glorified MMS kind of scandal." Do you agree with that?
No, I
What do you have to say?
I don't agree with that. See, get ready reels is their comfort zone.
Mm-hmm.
Whatever they are showing, they want to show the makeup or they want to do the transition. It's really fun doing the get ready with me reels.
Yes.
Uh, I don't think so. It's like a glorious MMS or something. How much we need to show, that point we need to show.
Right.
That's really a
Yeah.
catchy point. Yeah, if
Especially with
we
the
should not go
saris.
beyond, yeah,
Yeah, I think especially with the saris, when there are 100 ways of wearing
yeah,
sari,
true.
and then you're, showing or teaching the people
Yeah,
that, hey, this is more creative way of wearing sari, or
right.
this is more creative way of doing makeup,
Yes, yeah, yeah,
wearing jewelry.
right.
So, um, tell us about your. I think you also have an event company. You organize events.
Yeah.
How did it come about? Like, why do you decide to start a company based only for women? You create events for women. Whose idea was that? Tell us all about your company.
That's a good question. Yeah, actually, I mean, four of our friends started Austin Dreams events.
Mm-hmm.
So idea was from me.
Okay.
So I thought these four would be good to. I mean, we are all good at one place.
Right.
Like I'm an influencer. Um, so other person is good with the communication, and other person is good with business. Other person is good with audits. So I thought we four can make good I mean combination,
Collaboration.
like
Yes.
collaboration, and start a company. It all started because I don't know, I could able to I don't want to take any names, but
Mhm.
we did a fashion show and it was disastrous.
Oh. Okay.
And from that I got an idea, why can't I do it? I mean,
Right.
I will organize more better than
Yeah, yeah,
them.
yeah, yeah.
And they're charging this much, and they're not giving any visibility to every person.
Got it.
So it was started like as you said,
Yes.
overnight.
Oh,
Overnight
wow.
idea.
Yes.
And when I reached out to my friends, they all said quickly yes. I don't need to ask them or explain them anything like that.
Yes. Yes.
And yeah, it went really good. First year was amazing. The
Nice.
Galentine Day,
Yes.
that was our first event, and we could able to pull up like 1,500 women.
Wow.
It's not at all easy.
Not at all.
Yeah.
Not at all.
But in Austin at that time, there were very less events, and we could able to pull up that much crowd.
Mm-hmm.
But every year it was growing. Like so many events are coming up, so many are. That's good. Like
Yes.
so many organizers are coming up, so many event companies came up.
Yes.
So now we couldn't able to pull up that many people, but yeah, always. Uh,
Yeah.
Actually, women love to leave their husbands and kids
Yes.
at home, come out and enjoy. That's the only concept I started this.
Absolutely. What do you think how women are taking it, how they're, growing with this idea that, hey, leave my family for a bit, during the daytime or evening and just come and attend your event. Do you think it's helping, your events are helping them in any way? Or making them confident, or making them at least giving them some time to kind of enjoy. What do you think?
Yeah, I don't think we are helping our community or doing something like that. I don't want to brag myself,
Yes.
because we just want women come. outside of the family, outside of the chaos, and enjoy without any pressure, because husbands will be taking care of kids and there is no pressure that we need to take care of kids and all.
Mm-hmm.
um, Actually, we wanted to do a family event and we tried it last year,
Uh-huh.
and everyone said that please do the women event. So
Oh, sweet.
because they want to come out freely, dance, enjoy, and yeah, be like,
Yeah.
do whatever they want. Yeah,
Nice.
so that's a
Nice.
good way to connect with other women and enjoy themselves without
Mm-hmm.
any burden
Yeah.
behind their heads. Yeah.
So when you wear the cap of being an event organizer, do you still do reels in your events? Like, do you, being creative as an influencer, do you also able to kind of, organize things behind the scene, and then you want to be in front of the camera and do the reels? Or it's just like when you are creating an event, you're always thinking as an organizer?
Uh,
Or you do both together
no,
simultaneously?
for promotions, we do reels.
Okay.
Definitely for promotions, we do reels.
Yeah.
On the stage also, we will do like couple of engagement, like music reels,
Yes.
but not like I mean, we don't plan to do reels at the event because it's
Right.
really difficult with the schedule what we are having, because fashion shoots would be running and sometimes DJ would be late.
Right. I
So
know.
there will be little time difference.
Mm-hmm.
I don't preferably do reels at that event time,
Yes.
but definitely for promotions and all, we do reels.
So you do realize the importance of uh, being an influencer. It's definitely helping local businesses, communities. Um, in fact, around the world, like people are becoming influencers. How important you think influencers are playing part in promoting the businesses and the events?
It's a big part
It's a big
actually.
part.
Now everything is marketing.
Hmm.
Yeah, before it used to be like flyers or hoardings or something like
Yeah.
that, but now everything is digital media.
Right.
So everything we need to create something
Mm-hmm.
so people could catch it, and oh,
Know
the
what's going
offers,
on.
yeah,
Mm-hmm.
oh, the that business is giving this offer. Oh, Diwali, we have these offers at this place. So definitely they are main part in digital marketing right now. The
Yes.
influencers are playing big part, but the creativity, as I told you,
Yes.
if you do everything and if you do like if you talk about everything, it's not catchy. They will
Right.
just scroll.
Right.
Yeah.
Right. So, do you think is confidence important, or talent? Because I want to bring up this topic that I'm seeing everybody is making real,
Yes.
and it's not about, is it not about talent anymore? Because I see people slapping each other, that's a real. It's getting views.
Yeah.
People are cooking on the road, they're biking, riding car. Like, what do you think is confidence? Because I am not a very confident person when it come to making a reel, and um is it showing talent more important than confidence? Or you think, oh, if I have confidence, I don't care about the content and I don't care about the talent, we'll
Yeah.
just make the reel and it'll become famous?
True,
What's
true.
your opinion?
Yeah, as you said, even if we slap each other, also that will go viral. So we don't know,
Okay.
and that 1 million people will follow and do the same thing. So it's all about
Oh my God.
we can't
Okay.
able to comment on anything.
Yeah.
Yeah, as is confidence, talent, everything. We don't know. Instagram is really tricky.
Yeah.
What it will boost up and how the people take it in another way. Uh,
Got it.
how much crazy you do,
Yeah.
it will go viral.
Oh God.
So
Okay.
you don't need any confidence
Y-
to do a reel.
Yeah.
Just uh,
Just do it.
do it. And
Whatever
yeah,
you think is right, you just do it.
yeah.
And or wrong.
Yeah, even it's right or wrong, we can't judge.
Yes.
Yeah.
Oh God.
Once it go viral, it's viral.
It's viral,
Yeah,
viral.
I mean, when we are doing it from like 5 to 6 years, right?
Mm-hmm.
When we started, it was really slow.
Okay.
It was really slow, and we used to be very mindful while posting it. But now everyone wants to do it, and it was good in a way
Mm-hmm.
that they're coming out and showing their talent, and they're enjoying themselves.
Yeah.
Nothing wrong in that,
Yeah.
because it's all at the end of the day, everybody should be happy.
Did you remember your first reel going viral with lots of views? Do you remember how many views were that and you were super happy or and you shared with
Yeah,
everybody? Do you
I
remember that?
I got 1 million views on one reel. My reels generally don't go like millions and millions. I don't boost them or do
Okay.
anything.
Uh-huh.
So whatever original content I post, whatever I got, I'm happy with that.
Yeah.
Yeah, one like almost 3 years back, one reel went very viral, like 1 million views.
Mm-hmm.
I don't know. It was very simple dress. I don't know why it got viral or why people saw that
Yeah.
dress that many times. It
Wow.
was really very small one.
So as you
So we
said,
don't know.
Instagram
Yeah.
works in a different way, in a very magical way. You just never know what
Yeah,
becomes viral
right, right. And that is not even a collaboration. I did just like fun.
just for fun.
Mm,
Wow, that's amazing
yeah.
to know. And that actually builds up your confidence to make more content
Right,
like that.
right. Yeah.
Right.
Yeah, when people watch us, when people like our content,
Mhm.
it gives us boost. Like, we want to do more, we want to be more creative.
Yes.
And yeah, always ideas pop up. Mostly my ideas all will pop up when I'm taking bath. I don't know why.
Under the
Maybe,
shower.
yeah, maybe my mind will be peaceful without watching anything over there,
Okay.
because I always scroll on my phone, or I listen to music while I work, so my mind will be always busy,
Yes.
thinking of other contents and all. But just some creative ideas I get in my shower.
Oh, wow. Good to
That's a
know.
funny way, but
That
yeah,
is so,
yeah.
but so far I got to know that you actually do a lot of stuff for fun because you started doing reels because of your fun and love for sari and jewelry and traditional wear. You started your company for fun because you just wanted to go out and
Yeah.
invite other women to have fun. But tell me this, how serious do you take reel making? So here I want to know what's your agenda? Do you decide um, stuff in advance? Like, okay, so I have to do this in this week. I have to dedicate my time this weekend, or what does your calendar say? Is there any schedule you follow?
Yes,
I
definitely.
want to know this because people who are watching us, probably they can take a note and
Sure.
they can start doing it.
Yeah, sure. Yeah, definitely. We need to,
Schedule
yeah, schedule,
everything.
because sometimes pop-ups will be in some dates. Like this weekend, there will be a pop-up,
Mhm.
and I need to finish it before that week. I need to post. So from 2 weeks before, I need to plan accordingly.
Mhm.
And I have two pop-up shows coming up, like this weekend one and the other weekend one. So I need to plan content, and yeah, definitely there is a lot of homework. Um, when they when they sorry
Yeah, it's fine.
when they organize the pop-ups,
Mhm.
there will be like lot list of vendors
Right.
and everyone, right? So they will send us all the content. We need to pick who which vendors we can get from sari from, or
Correct.
yeah, collabs, and they will send us the sari jewelry, and we need to plan accordingly the reels and the content, what we need to tell about the pop-up, how it will be catchy, because every time if we do the same thing,
Not gonna
nobody
work.
doesn't like them.
Hmm.
Yeah,
It's a lot of coordination
yeah,
between,
yeah,
calling them, coordinating the time, picking,
definitely.
dropping
Yeah.
off, making it's a lot
Right.
of effort. Yeah.
Sometimes in the middle of the work, I need to, yeah,
Oh,
after the stand up or something, I need to stop working, and I will sit at midnights and work. I'll finish my work,
yeah.
and or else I need to wake up at 4 a.m. to complete my work on time.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
So definitely work is seriousness
Yes,
for me.
yes, yes, yes.
Definitely,
Absolutely.
that is my career.
Yes.
So that is, as you said, reels are for fun, events are for fun, everything else is for fun. Cooking is fun or everything.
Yeah.
But the career and the work, it is
It's
really
important.
important for
Yes,
me. Yeah,
absolutely.
financially, we need to be stable. We
Yes,
need to support our husbands, kids, and everything.
right.
Yeah.
Yeah. Um, so I understand work is important and you schedule, but of course, for real also, since now you are an influencer, you have to dedicate your time. Um, do you feel any change in young Manju or the Manju who was not Instagram influencer? And if we compare that Manju to this Manju, because now you're dealing with a lot of people, now you know how to do business. And have you come across any negative people, the people who kind of criticize, who are, um, what's your experience being in the business of, influencing? Uh, how does it? I want to know your opinion and what changes did you feel?
Yeah, as I told you, I'm introvert.
Yes.
Yeah, I used to be very calm in my school, and I have very less friends.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, definitely there will be negativity when we are coming outside and doing something. Definitely, if there is 50% of positivity, there will be 80% of negativity. you know so some people like us, some people doesn't like us, but everybody shows that happy face in
Yes.
front of us,
Yes.
but behind we know
Yeah.
a lot of
They
stories might
bad
be
mouth.
cooking.
They
Yeah,
say something.
right. And especially in our Indian communities,
Yes. Yes.
definitely there will be something else going on.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah. But the journey was yeah, good. I'm introvert, but I'm really good with people. I
Mm.
mean,
Yes. You being nice
I'm
and
sweet.
yes. Yes. Yes.
Yeah, I'm sweet. I'm
I've always
soft.
seen you smiling and being nice and very
Right,
sweet.
yeah.
Yeah.
My
I get that.
nature is like that. Even with my kids also, I can't raise my voice, or I don't shout. If sometimes if I'm angry, my little one says, I don't like your face when you're angry. So
Your kids are lucky one, by the way.
yeah,
They're
I
lucky.
definitely don't
You don't
scold
shout.
them or shout
Oh.
them. I try to be cool.
Yeah.
But definitely there will be another side.
Okay.
When there is some negativity, we feel bad.
Do
Yeah.
you see negative comments? Do you see negative criticism? Any,
Not directly in the
not
public
directly,
platform.
but you
I
get to
never
hear
saw.
that people are saying things
Yeah,
sometimes.
definitely there will be something, because when we are growing, definitely there will be something. And as I can say, I'm not any saint.
Yeah,
Maybe
of course.
yeah, definitely I made some
We are
mistakes.
human,
Yeah,
and
yeah,
humans are,
yeah.
they make
Sometimes,
mistake.
yeah, we cross talk. Yeah, some bad things happen,
Yes.
but I'm the first one to apologize for everything.
Oh,
I'm that kind of person,
got it.
and I don't keep that in my mind.
Mm-hmm.
I value my time. I don't want to regret on others' feelings.
Right,
Definitely, I want to be happy, and going whatever I'm doing. I'm happy with that.
right.
I am like, even nobody is at home, I can stay. I can get along like
Got
single
it.
person. I'm happy with myself, and I love myself actually.
Yes.
So
So, does it bother you just in case if you get to hear that people are saying something or there's like a negativity around you? Does it bother?
yes, yes,
It
that
does.
negative energy sometimes it drains us.
Hmm.
Definitely, I'll sit in a corner. I cry myself,
Yes.
but I'll not show my tears outside.
Got it. Got
Yeah,
it.
definitely everybody has ups and lows. We feel that bad and negative energy sometimes it really hits us.
Yes.
Even we are growing, even we are showing our happy faces, even we are I mean, everybody is commenting in a good way that your reels are really good, your content is good, you are creating definitely rather than others, you are doing good.
Mm-hmm.
But still, that negative energy, something
Hits you.
hits me.
Got it.
Sometimes, not every
Not every
time.
time.
Yeah, but sometimes it hits me. And then I go silent.
Okay.
I want to be silent. I don't want to talk about that with anyone,
Right. Right.
even with my husband. Even
Yes.
if he scolds me, I'll
Mm-hmm.
be silent. I don't want to argue
Right.
or do it in a big way.
Yeah.
Sometimes happens, but
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
I
Yeah.
try to, yeah, keep it grounded.
Any ritual every day you follow which makes your mind and body calm and at peace?
Uh,
Is there
yeah,
anything you
actually,
do?
I used to do lot of pujas
Okay.
uh, at my 30s.
Got it.
Yeah,
Got it.
even in my childhood, my dad is more into spiritual thing.
Yeah.
Even my mom and dad, they do pujas at home, and daily my dad goes to temple.
Mm-hmm.
We are used to like that. Me and my brother, we both are like that. But after coming here, it's really difficult to go to temple, do all
Yes.
those things and all. But definitely at home, even I don't do. What is that, lighting the diyas and all,
Yes.
but I offer water and any fruit to God
Mm-hmm.
and just pray for
So
5 minutes.
yeah, that give you
Even my
peace.
husband is into that, so
Oh, okay.
yeah, that's give me
N-
peace.
Nice. Okay, so I think we have pretty much covered all about you, Manju,
Yeah.
being an Instagrammer to
But
event organizer to mom to IT professional. Is there anything you would like to add to it, which we didn't discuss or
yeah, actually, I wanted to give some Instagram tips.
please do? Yes,
Yeah, I'm not pro in that, but
I think you are pro in it. Yes.
but
But please
yeah,
go ahead.
yeah. Just try to create like 30 to 40-second reels
Mm-hmm.
or from, yeah, rather than less than 30 seconds or 30 to 40 seconds, whatever you want to show. That is one good tip when you're creating reels.
Okay.
And one more thing, whenever Instagram actually introduces any new feature, for example, now the trial reels are
Mm-hmm.
going really good.
Okay.
When you click on trial reel, I just tried it and it was really good because when we post a reel, it reaches only our followers.
Okay.
But for trial reels, it just shows our non-followers first, and then if you really like the reach and everything, then you can post it in the main page.
Got it.
So if you are, sometimes you will be skeptical, oh, I can post it or not. You will be thinking. So that one, you can just do it in the trial reel. And if people are really liking your content, then you can post it in the main one.
Got
That
it.
is really good tip. And now instants, for example, now they introduce instants.
Yeah.
So we can just click picture and it will go.
Have you used instant?
I just tried it couple of times,
Okay.
but it's
Because
really,
I get scared as
yeah,
soon as
yeah,
like
it's
I
really
open
scary, but be mindful when you are
yeah,
doing
right?
that, because when we click, it will go. There is
Oh,
nothing intimation that we need
and
to
you can't
stop or
delete or
anything. We can
anything.
delete them,
Okay.
definitely.
But
But
we are most of the time we are without makeup and we are not ready and just like it
right,
pops up all the
yeah,
time.
that's why when you are clicking on the camera icon, you need to be careful.
Okay.
But you need to try them.
Got it.
When Instagram is introducing some feature, it will see that you are a bot or you are a real person or you are using all the features or not. Algorithm kicks in that one too. You
Got
are
you.
using all the features or not. It keeps track of everything.
Oh,
So
sweet. I didn't know about
yeah,
that.
so
So,
whenever
since
it's
you brought up bots, like, what do you think about people who buy the followers? Is there
oh,
anything?
nowadays it's happening everywhere. We can't judge them.
Yes.
But even if we purchase or if you want to grow faster,
Mm-hmm.
that some people are using that, and Instagram doesn't stop them.
Hmm.
Instagram doesn't restrict that you are doing bot followers and it will not track us every time. uh, that's totally fine if you want to grow faster or anything,
Mm-hmm.
but try to create your own content. That that's a good one to do.
Got
uh,
it.
I think last week or something, it spiked up 10K followers instantly. You were saying 77, but now I have 88.
Wow.
So that was all bot followers. I don't know how it spiked up. I reported to Instagram and everything. So Meta told that it's okay
Yeah.
until you don't buy. Some competitors also will buy to,
Really?
yeah.
Oh,
They
to bring
think,
you down or
yeah,
to bring
they,
your profile?
yes,
Oh,
right.
this is like first
Yeah.
time I'm hearing this. So this
I
is
just want to,
interesting.
I don't talk on my Instagram much, but I just want to give this topic.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, sorry, I'm taking more
No, no,
time.
no, it's absolutely fine. Any other tip like for people and influencer? Because that was a that was
Yeah.
something new to me. So,
So when I reached out to Meta, they told that maybe your competitor did that,
mhm.
but don't worry, change your password and do the two-factor authentication, so
Okay,
it will be secured.
okay.
And Instagram will slowly decrease those followers. It will
Yes.
take out the bot followers.
Yeah, I've
So
heard that they
even
constantly keep
yeah,
removing the bots
right. Even
from.
if you buy followers, Instagram is going to remove them. So that
Okay,
doesn't work out. But
got
if
it.
you want to good number of followers you want to check on
Yeah,
your page, then
yeah.
it's okay.
Oh,
But it
got it.
doesn't suspend or
Okay.
it doesn't report. I don't know.
Restrict your
Yeah,
profile or anything.
sometimes, yeah.
Okay. So, any other tip? Because we are
No.
reaching towards the end of
Yeah.
our episode.
No, I'm really grateful that you called me. I don't know I will talk this much,
No.
actually.
See, this is what happens when you come to the Livy
Yeah,
Star show.
I
But
was
before I
I was
let you
so
go,
scared.
oh, Manju, you did really good.
Thank
But
you.
before I let you go, I'm
Yeah.
gonna quickly do this rapid fire
Oh,
round, which I'm very, fan and crazy about.
sure.
So quickly, I'm gonna give you two options. You pick one:
Yeah.
saris or Western outfits,
Saris,
silver jewelry or gold.
both.
Oh, coffee or chai during editing,
Chai,
reels or photos,
reels,
heels or flats,
heels,
introvert or extrovert.
introvert.
You said that two times. Yes. One word your friends used to describe you.
Calm and confident.
Okay. Most used app beside Instagram.
YouTube.
Oh, really? YouTube for watching series and stuff or
Yeah,
interviews of fashion?
I watch a lot of podcasts.
Oh, God.
Yeah,
Okay. Okay.
I got inspiration from them,
Oh,
most of
nice.
the celebrities. Yeah.
Good. Favorite South Indian food?
Sambar, but
Sambar.
when my mom make it.
Uh, Event planning or attending events?
Attending events. I enjoy attending events and yeah,
Yeah.
it's stressful, right?
Yes.
Organizing events is
Yes.
always stressful.
Always
Yeah.
stressful. Morning person or night owl?
Morning.
One celebrity whose style you love.
Actually, nowadays I'm liking Trisha.
Oh, Trisha.
Yeah, at
Okay.
40, she was so confident than her 20s,
See?
like all of us.
Yeah, right.
Yeah,
Yeah. 40s comes with, I think, wiseness. There's some
right.
different
Yeah.
beauty to it.
How she carry with the style and confidence, I really love her
Okay.
styling. Yeah.
One thing you still want to learn next.
Oh, I always want to
Keep
learn something.
something,
Yeah.
anything in your list that you need to learn this.
Maybe AI.
Oh, okay. Okay.
Because in office and in reels everywhere, AI,
Every
AI, AI. So I need to
yes,
learn that.
for
Yeah.
sure. Okie doke. So we're gonna close this episode with
Thank
the
you.
future topic of artificial intelligence. Once again, thank you so much, Manju, for joining us
Oh,
today.
thank you so
Really
much.
appreciate your time and wish you all the best for all your upcoming reels. And um we hope you get millions and zillions of followers on Instagram.
Thank you.
Keep
Thank you
doing
so
it.
much. Yeah. I'm so honored to be here.
Thank you,
Thank
Manju.
you.